Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, today looks to be about the warmest one we will see in a while.
Yeah, Joe, today we've got a situation where that high-pressure ridge that we've been talking about is now centered pretty much over Dallas, Texas. And that's going to extend all the way northward into the Dakotas. And with that big ridge in the middle of the country, that's where the high heat is going to be. It's a little bit to the east of the immediate listening area, but we still should see temperatures in that 105, right around that advisory level. You get a county or two over from us where there is a heat advisory that is along, it will include Red Willow, Decatur, Logan, and Gove counties, and everything to the east. They are expecting temperatures to be in that 105 to 110 in Hill City, and it could be even warmer with an excessive heat advisory to locations to the east of Ellis and Rooks County. So Kansas, particularly north central Kansas and eastern Kansas, is going to be really hot today with those dangerous level conditions, higher dew points, and heat advisories. So everybody, no matter where you're at, needs to stay inside as much as possible and drink plenty of water. Out there this morning, we're starting out with temperatures of 66 in Burlington, 69 in Goodland, 70 in McCook. Tonight will be more of the same. Everyone will probably be in the 70s overnight, and will continue to be them warm and hot conditions for this time of year. And then as we head in tomorrow, we're going to see a wave move through Nebraska and the Dakotas. That'll bring a little bit of shot of northern cooler air with that north breeze, and we'll still see temperatures of 100 degrees out in Burlington to 105 in Hill City. So we're expecting those temperatures here on Highway 25 to be right around that 103 degrees. And overnight lows then will drop into the middle 60s. We also could see a disturbance or a weak ripple of energy off of that wave in Nebraska, trigger some storms to the east of a Leota to McCook line. And when they get over there in Phillips County, Ellis County, north central Kansas, they could become severe tomorrow afternoon and evening. We'll be looking ahead all the way through the weekend. The pattern starts to change on Thursday as that high pressure will shift to the west coast and build all the way up into the Pacific Northwest. And what that'll do is block things coming directly from the west, but will be a northwesterly flow, which will keep temperatures warm. We're expecting to be right around 100 degrees all the way from Thursday through the weekend, either upper 90s or low 100s. One thing to look at is with that flow from the northwest, the wildfire smoke will come back into the area Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that could limit the warm up into those upper 90s to around 100. We get to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to be back up there in that 100 to 105 degree range, and we're going to wait until Thursday, Friday of next week before we have any real chances for rain, moisture, and cooler temperatures heading into that following weekend.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.